Hey, it's me, staciemaee, and today I'm gonna do my first YouTube video. I'm gonna be doing a natural makeup look, so let's go ahead and get started. The Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Pencil, like this. Is this how I do this? I've never done a makeup tutorial before. Well, that's a lie. I actually recorded one for you guys, but the audio is messed up on my phone, so I have to re-record it, so. But that's okay, because my hair wasn't done in that one. You know, we're in the middle of a pandemic. I haven't got my eyebrows done in 2 months. So, you know, mind your business. But you're just gonna go ahead and take this. I usually get a color that's a little bit lighter than my brows, so your brows don't look thick as fuck. But you just take this and just fill in where it needs to be. Like, I don't like to overdo it, because when you overdo it, your brows look unnatural, and I really like having natural eyebrows. You just flip it around. It's got a nice little spoolie brush on it there. And just flip it around and brush it out so it looks like the natural strokes. Actual way your eyebrows grow. Major key. That brush swipe is real crucial, because that will be the real definition between you looking good and you looking like you trying to kill somebody. After that, I like to go over that with my Control Freak. Let's see. NYX Control Freak. It's eyebrow gel to just like hold your brows in place so they will have that nice natural groomed look throughout the entirety of your day. And something I forgot to mention at the very beginning, you have to stay moisturized. I have the tendency to have a little bit of dry skin, so I'll just take even a little bit of like lotion, cocoa butter lotion, coconut oil. I'll use that too and just keep it on my face, and probably I do it about like an hour before I do my makeup, so my face is well moisturized, because you don't want to have a dry face. It leads to like cracking, and the powder doesn't set, and it just ends up not looking good. So, I mean, those are my issues. I don't have oily skin, so I can't vouch for that. So I just take this LA Girl Pro Filter. You see, and I just line the bottom of my eyebrows where I want that definitive brow line to be on both sides. And then I don't put product on the top, because I use a product that's on the brush to put it on the top, which you will see in a moment. And now I just take it up here and go up top with it. And this blending part is real crucial, because you could look real poppin' or end up going drag. I mean, that's not what we doing. If that's what we was doing, that's okay. But it's not. So blend, blend, blend. See, I would go out on a regular day like this with the brows done and be like, okay, we good, we here, we hanging. How to go wet my beauty blender. Wet beauty blenders, major key in this entire process. Next, I have foundation, which we're gonna put on, but I actually have 2 colors, because my forehead and the outside of my face just kind of stay like a general darker color than the rest of my skin. So I mixed these 2. So the natural tan, which is a little bit lighter, I'm just gonna go ahead and like put it right here on the inner parts of my T-zone, because that's where my face is that color. And this makes it a little bit easier to not have to do as much like highlighting and contouring too. I just do this here with my finger because it's easy, and I actually can't find my foundation brush. Okay, now from here I'm just gonna take a face flat brush, and I'm gonna blend the inside first, and then go on to the outsides of the face with the other color. And now I just kind of blend both these colors together throughout the entirety of my face. Okay, hair, get out my way. Stop. Get out of here. Okay, boom. So now that the foundation's all the way blended. Is that a mark on my face? I'm tripping, I'm just seeing things. Okay, so now that my foundation's blended, I'm gonna go back with this same color Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna actually go under here where you tend to have like dark circles and stuff, because you know, your girl ain't 20 no more. And for whatever reason, I always do this when I'm putting on this. I just cannot help it. And I'm just actually realizing it right now. So now we're gonna take the wet beauty blender and just blend it out here. And I try to make kind of like a straight line because I just think it's pretty. It accents the way my eyes look. And you can still see the delineation of it a little bit when you leave it there for now. And just take whatever's left on the beauty blender and keep going in your T-zone. Like this, like that. Ow. Y'all, I'm really clumsy as hell. As hell. I'm always hitting myself or dropping stuff. Blending, major key. So after blending, I take my Luxury Banana Powder by Revolution. I get this at Ulta or Sephora, maybe both. I don't remember. But I take this and I just dump it over and tap on the cap. It lasts so long. So it's definitely a good investment. And I love the brand and I love this color banana powder. Wasn't it always this color? Yes, it is. So I just take this tapered face brush and I just tap it in there. And I'm just gonna put setting powder everywhere. I just highlighted with the Pro Filter Concealer. And I just kind of brush it out. And then I just kind of brush over it with whatever is remaining on the brush. There we go. So then the whole face is now set. Take this here and put it back. Maybe that's why it lasts so long, because I don't ever use that much. I think a little goes a long way. You really don't need all that much product. So now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix and I just take this with a buffing brush. And this color is like actually a lot darker than most of my face except for my forehead. So I just kind of use it here and as a contour. Very light because, you know, you want this to be a natural look. But you still want to have that definition. Oh. Now we blend. This is I got from Sephora. It is the Pro Flawless Airbrush 56. So I use this. This is like my favorite blending brush ever. So I just go through everywhere and reblend. That seems to be a common theme here. Reblend, blend, blend again and again. So now that we have this natural face, we're just gonna hit these little accents and add mascara, and then we will be done. So this is a highlighter that I got maybe a couple of months ago, and I really love it, and it's super inexpensive. It's the Wet n Wild Hello Halo with mascara highlighter, and you could get it basically at any beauty supply store, but you know all the beauty supply stores are closed right now. But yeah, so get you some of this because it's amazing, and you'll see why. Gonna put a little bit there right on the tip of my nose, and with my finger I'm gonna just take what's from the nose and add it to the bridge like this, like that. Y'all, I can't stop watching that lady's tutorials on TikTok about That vegan food, I wish I could remember her name. But we all know who it is. Like this, like that. We seen her. You take a little bit right here and add it to the apple of your cheeks. And just use your fingers and blend it out. There. That's just for a little bit of highlight. Back with the Maybelline Fit Me. The blush, this is the, which one is this? Oh, this is the Nude blush. So I just take this angled face brush here and just tap it in here. And I just go over there on both these sides. Give you a little rosy blush. I try a lot of different mascara. This is the most recent one I've tried and I really love it. It's the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Curvature Mascara right here. And I try to keep my eyes, like, whichever eye that I'm doing, I try to keep it closed so I don't get mascara on my lid, because I'm notorious for doing that, like, every time. Now the other eye. I did it. I got makeup on my eyelid like I thought I would. I just poked the fuck out my eyeball. Oh, I also do not wipe off the mascara until my mascara is dry. It's because you can mess up your lashes when you do it. It's already hard enough to get your lashes in place where you want them. Let's be honest. Okay, let's go ahead and hit the bottom real quick. Everything dry. I feel pretty dry now. Before I wipe off this mascara, I'm just gonna take this Rose Pink highlighter by MK Perfection, and I'm just gonna dust this just a little bit underneath the arches of my eyebrows, just to accentuate that highlight. Right there, right there. Just a bridge. Now I'm gonna go wet this mascara real quick, and now we're done. I actually don't use any setting spray on my face just because I normally don't. I feel like it really doesn't ever make a difference on my face. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and watch out for more videos.